good morning guys, how are you? It's been a long time since the last video. Let's continue with the last pages of the book. They are really easy. Please go and get your student's book because we are going to start with page 114. 114. Do me a favor, please write the date on top of page 114, 114, because we are going to check something really easy. Here on top, we have some pictures, A, B, C, D, E, and F. I am going to explain each one because then you will use the vocabulary to answer the exercise number 2. So be careful. The letter A. The letter A is sunny. You can see the sun right there. Sunny, you know what is sunny. When it is a sunny day, it's because, oh my God, it's sunny. You see the sun right there? Oh my God, it's sunny. A lot of sun right there. Okay, it's really hot. Then the letter B, when the thermometer is all red and it's full, it's because it's hot. It's really hot. Oh my God, when you touch, it's hot. Okay. Then the letter C, when the thermometer is blue and it's not full, okay, is cold, like the ice is cold, like the letter C. Thermometer, yes, empty. Then let's continue with the letter D. The letter D, that picture is snowy. What is that? This picture, look, snowy. When there's a snowy day, that is something like this, okay? Then the letter E, rainy, like yesterday. Yesterday, Monday, it was raining in the afternoon. Do you remember? It was a rainy day. This is a rainy day. Look, this picture. Then the letter F, cloudy. This is a cloudy day, full of clouds. This is a cloud. This is a cloud. Full of clouds is cloudy. Okay. Well, after you know the meanings of these words, what do we have to do? You have to read the sentences and write the countries on the map. Okay. Here you have a map. Here you have a map, and you have to, according to the picture you have here, according to the picture you have here, the little pictures, you have to write the name of the country. Teacher, how do I know the characteristic of the country? It's really easy because you just have to read here the sentences and then look at the map. For example, let me help you. Number 1, it's hot and sunny in Mexico. So you have to look at the picture, where is hot and sunny? Well, remember hot and sunny, what is sunny? Where the picture of the sun is. So here is the sun, so you have to write here, Mexico, with red capital letter because it's a country. So you have to continue with the number 2. It's cold and snowing in Scotland. So you have to look at the picture of cold and snowy, and there you have to write Scotland. Do you understand? Number 3 and number 4, you have to read, look, and write the name of the country. Really easy. Don't forget red capital letter. Guys, please go to 115, page 115, because you have to write the date on top. Let me show you again. Write the date on top of 115, 115. And what do we have to do? What do we have to do in this page? You just have to trace lines, okay? Read the postcards. Let me read the directions. You have to read and draw lines. Write the countries on the postcard, okay? So, dear Nathan is the number 1. Dear Nathan, my holiday is great. It is snowing. It's snowing. You know where is that? It's very cold, but it's fun. Bye, Daisy. So, which one in which picture is snowing? In letter A, B, or C? Do you understand? You have to trace a line. Then, number 2, dear Emily, it's hot here, very hot. It's sunny and very brown. How are you? Bye, Dylan. So you have to tell me where is really hot, where is sunny. Yes, you have to trace a line where you can see the sun right there. And the last one, number 3, you have to read it. Please read and trace the line. It's gonna be the last one. Okay, then after we finish page 115, we have to continue with page, wait a minute, go and get your workbook, please. Go and get your workbook. This one, no kids books, and open up on page 114, 114, write the date on it, this one, this page, okay? So after you write the date, what do we have to do? This is really easy and it's fun. Why? Because you have to guess the code, okay? You have to use the code in order to get the message, okay? So here where it says code, you have some symbols, okay? You have some symbols here, and then you have letters. The A is the symbol, the C is the symbol. Do you understand? So you have to look at the symbols here and write the missing words. You have to get the code, yes, and according to the code you have to guess the word, the hidden word. So in the number 1, for example, this half of the circle is the S. Look, half circle equal S. So you have to write under S, and so on. The number 1 is sunny. You can see the symbols according to the letters and write them here. So you have to continue guessing according to the symbols, the number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It's really easy. And then at the end, you just have to look at the picture, remember in the previous pages in the student's book what this symbol means, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and write it. Teacher, I don't remember how to write rainy, for example. Don't worry. Go and get your student's book. Very good. Let's continue with the next page, which is 115. 115. Write the date, please. It's the same book, huh? Workbook 115. What do we have to do there? You have to read and draw the symbols on the map. Now you have to do the opposite, okay? You have the description, you have the map and the name of the country, and you have to draw the symbol. For example, here you have the symbols. This is sunny, really cold, snowy. This is really hot, snowy, cold, rainy, and cloudy. Okay? So, the number 1 says, it's snowing in Scotland and it is cold. So you have to go to Scotland right here and draw the symbol of snowing and really cold. Do you understand? Okay, now, number 2, it's cold and cloudy in Wales. So you have to check which picture is of cloudy and which picture is of cold, and you have to draw the pictures there in Wales, right here. Do you understand? Number 3 and 4, you have to read it, please, and do it. That's a piece of cake. And the last one, which is the exercise number 2, what do we have to do? You have to read, then you have to write a postcard to your friend. A postcard is kind of a letter, but it has a little picture on there, right? So, what do we have to do here? Really easy. You have to look at the example here. You have to look at the example and read it. Dear Tom, how are you? It's cloudy and cold today. By Sam. So here you have to write something similar, but you just have to change the name, and you can change the weather, the climate. For example, you want to write my, and you can, write another one, just change the name and change the weather. The first word you have to write is dear. Let me erase the date. Dear. Well, you have something like this. It says dear. Dear, I'm gonna write David. Dear David. Wait. Do it again. Dear. Remember, write red capital letter. David. Okay, this is the first part. Dear David. You see, it says Dear Tom, so I changed Tom for David. Let's continue. How are you? You can write the same, no problem. How are you? How are you? Okay, look. How are you? The same, no problem. And then you have to write this one. It says it's cloudy and cold. Well, I don't like cloudy and cold. I will write it's sunny. It's sunny. Sunny. And if it is sunny, obviously it's hot. And hot. Look. How are you? It's sunny and hot. Yes? And then it says today. Okay, hot today. Today. And then bye. Bye. And then I will write my name at the end. Don't write Edwin, you are not Edwin. Dear David, how are you? It's sunny and hot today. Bye. So, I am going to underline. I'm going to underline. Okay. These words that are underlined, you can copy the same. The one that I underlined, you can copy the same. But you have to change. You have to change this one. You have to change this one and this one. The one with circle is the one you have to change, okay? You can change David for another name. You can change sunny and hot for another weather. Then you can change, you have to change Edwin because you have to write your name and something like that. After that, in the other side, you just have to draw. For example, my drawing is it's sunny, so I have to draw sun right here. Sunny, and maybe you can draw yourself right here. Yes. Here, maybe playing soccer, something like that. You understand? And that's it. That's what we have to do. Yes, you just have to continue with page 115, and that's it. Guys, we are almost finished. We have only Thursday, and practically we are done. So, meanwhile, you have to continue with these pages, students and workbook, and I'll see you on Thursday. Bye!